Are you looking for the best cabinet electric space heaters? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best cabinet electric space heaters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Comfort Zone Infrared Quartz Cabinet Heater. The Comfort Zone CZ2032C is a portable infrared quartz cabinet heater that delivers gentle and efficient warmth to most residential living spaces. With smart safety features such as metal safety grille and automatic shut-off when overheated or tipped over, it is easy to move around with 4 wheels and a stay-cool housing. It also features a digital thermostat, 12-hour timer with auto shut-off, and a sleek cherry-finished cabinet design that blends with home decor. What we like: easy to move around with 4 wheels and a stay-cool housing. Smart safety features prevent overheating or tipping over. 12-hour timer with auto shut-off allows for easy programming to maintain a steady, comfortable temperature. Gentle and efficient warmth perfect for most residential living spaces. Sleek cherry-finished cabinet design that blends with home decor. Number 2. LifePlus 1500W Infrared Space Heater. The LifePlus infrared heater combines style and functionality with its sleek wood cabinet design, making it a great addition to any room. Its powerful 1500W infrared heating quickly warms large spaces while maintaining humidity, ensuring comfort without drying the air. You can easily adjust the temperature and timer using the included remote control, allowing you to stay cozy from the comfort of your bed. Plus, with built-in safety features like overheat and tip-over protection, you can have peace of mind knowing that your family is safe while enjoying the warmth. What we like: stylish wood cabinet, quick and efficient heating, convenient remote control. Safety features included. Number 3. HeatStorm 1500 Watt Infrared Heater. The HeatStorm heater is designed for your comfort with a built-in thermostat that features an LED display, allowing you to monitor and adjust the room temperature effortlessly. The included remote control adds convenience, enabling you to change settings from anywhere in the room. This heater utilizes advanced HMS technology, which combines heat with the humidity in the air, creating a gentle warmth that won't dry out your space. Its compact size makes it versatile for any room, and optional wheels let you easily transport it where you need extra warmth. Plus, the energy-efficient mode helps save on electricity costs. What we like: remote control convenience, soft, safe heat, compact and portable, energy-efficient operation. Number 4. Easy Heat MT1198N Infrared Space Heater. The Easy Heat infrared heater is perfect for keeping medium-sized rooms warm and cozy. With optimal temperature control, you can easily maintain your desired comfort level in any space, whether it's your office or bedroom. The efficient quartz heating technology ensures that warmth is evenly distributed, eliminating cold spots. You can also take advantage of the programmable 12-hour timer, allowing you to set how long you want the heater to run, which not only saves energy but also gives you peace of mind. Enjoy a comfortable environment tailored to your needs with this versatile heater. What we like: consistent heat distribution, programmable timer for convenience, enhanced safety features, remote control operation. Number 5. Shinic 1500W Infrared Space Heater. The Shinic infrared space heater is designed to quickly warm large indoor spaces efficiently. With 3 heating options, including high, low, and eco modes, you can easily adjust the temperature to your liking, ensuring a comfortable environment. The heater also features a remote control with LED indicators for seamless operation from anywhere in the room. For added safety, it includes an insulated cabinet, tip-over protection, and a child safety lock, giving you peace of mind while using it. Plus, the built-in timer allows you to customize your heating schedule effortlessly. What we like: quick heating options, remote control convenience. Safety features included: customizable timer settings,